Hello there, my name is Kanyunge Chege, and today we are going to learn about camera settings. So many of the times that I get people asking me, can you help me to set up this camera? And sometimes it's hard for me to identify what type of setting do I give them that they can still work on in any environment. And maybe the question here is, are there specific camera setting or fixed camera setting that can work in every environment? Some cases, some cameras have an auto mode, and this means that the camera is going to do everything for you in terms of adjusting the exposure that is needed for every type of environment that you're working on. So from my perspective, I believe that there is no specific camera setting. The camera setting needs to be manipulated by you as a videographer. And this means that you need to know how camera settings are modified to be able to achieve the desired results. For you to be a good photographer or a good videographer, it's very important for you to understand the exposure triangle. And exposure triangle has three components, and this is ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. So in the upcoming episode, I'm going to take you through the process of camera settings, but this doesn't mean that you're going to apply that camera setting for any project that you're working on. This is just an idea that helps you to know how to maneuver the elements of the exposure triangle so that you can be able to achieve that desired exposure of that shot that you are working on. Stay tuned for more, and I hope that you're getting to learn a lot in this videography class. My name is Kanyunge Chege. See you in the next one.